'Cause I would give anything, anything to have you as my man. Come here, stay with me, struck me by the hair. 'Cause I would